So here we have a newly acquired 2001 Suzuki RM125.
Okay, I'm going to pause it right here for a second to address the obvious. You're probably wondering, did he say 2001? The description says 2003. What is it? Well, it is in fact a 2003. So why did I refer to it as a 2001? Well, this video was made the day after I bought the thing, and it was listed by the seller as 2001. I don't think he was trying to do anything malicious or trying to deceive me in any way. I genuinely think he truly didn't know the actual year of the thing and just went with his best guess. It didn't come with any papers, so I of course wanted to ensure that it wasn't stolen. So I ran the VIN, that's the vehicle identification number, through the provincial database just to make sure it wasn't stolen. So anyways, I thought, well, while I'm at it, why don't I decode the VIN? So using some online sources, I then set about decoding the VIN, and that's when I discovered it was actually a 2003. So mystery solved.
Here's a walk around just to see what we're looking at here. Right away we can see we have some pretty sweet stickers on the front number plate. Everything's connected, everything seems to work, everything's just really badly worn. A formerly yellow clutch lever. Little squeaky. It's going to get replaced. Front wheel bearings seem pretty solid. They're probably still going to get replaced. Forks are going to get rebuilt. Aftermarket Tusk gas cap in red. That's getting replaced. Plastics all getting replaced. Mostly because they're all broke. Seat cover, not bad, getting replaced. Anything that's steel is rusted. Very badly worn magneto cover, probably getting replaced. Cracked head, definitely getting replaced. Red silicone radiator hoses, getting replaced. Drive chain and sprockets, definitely getting replaced. Chain guards, definitely being replaced. It's actually wearing into the chain. Get a little close. Chain's a little worn there. Wouldn't really want to ride it too far with it like that. See some surface rust on the frame. Every steel nut and bolt that hasn't been nickel plated, rusted. Petcock assembled in backwards. I'm guessing that's probably a motocrosser tactic. Keep from accidentally turning it off maybe. Apparently this bike was originally raced when it was new. Worn back tire. Yeah, that's getting replaced. Rims don't seem too bad. Spokes are all tight, except for like 3 on the back. Some kind of coating on both rims that's peeling like it's rubber. Probably going to replace the rims too. Broken spokes. Some pretty sweet Simpson stickers here. Some little dents in the silencer. Can fix that. Brakes all seem pretty good. Worn though. Do a rebuild on the calipers and the master cylinders. And then you got this. Yeah, not exactly snug. Yeah, we're going to have to do some work on that. Probably going to replace that clutch cover too. That's pretty badly worn from that pedal rubbing up against it. Rusty, rusty, rusty. Lots of rust. No problem though, no problem. I like rust. Might be able to get a better look at that cracked head there with the JB weld on it. Radiator seems to look pretty good. Don't know if I replace that. Might keep it. Depends on how the budget's looking. Yeah, the only thing I've done so far is replace this brake lever. I wanted to take the bike for a short ride. Didn't want to do it with a without a front brake. Bike actually came with a new brake lever and a new clutch lever. I don't know if I'll ultimately use either one. Bike looks like it was laid down at one point. A bit of damage here. Rip this boot right off. And judging by that steering stem nut, I'd say this front end's been apart at some point. And somebody tried putting it back together with like a pipe wrench or something. And the best thing is that this I didn't notice until I got the thing home, is one of the steering stops has been busted off. So the oh, I guess it's the other way. Yeah, this handlebars will go all the way to the left without stopping. Because I'm guessing the thing took a hard spill and snapped that thing right off. I'm not sure if I'll replace that or not. I might be able to rig something up to keep that from damaging anything. Heard that trail riders will cut those off so that they have better range of movement. Oh, there's the neighbor on the mower. Jesus. Alright, maybe we should fire this thing up. She idles pretty high. Oh, let's put the choke on here. Yeah, a little smoky. Ah, smell of two-stroke exhaust. Yeah, I don't want to leave that idling like that for too long with that cracked head. Does leak a little bit of coolant around the head there, likely as a result of the crack. Not a whole bunch, but a little bit. Anyways, there she is at the moment. We'll hopefully start turning wrenches on this here pretty soon. Yeah, can't wait.